Hello, how to solve for x in this equation? 4 to the power of x is equal to 24. Solution. We have 4 to the power of x is equal to 24. Let's take the log of both sides. Log 4 to the power of x is equal to log 24. Take note of this, that if you have log b to the power of c, this is equal to c log b. Then this can be written as x log 4 is equal to log 24 can be written as log 4 multiplied by 6. Take note of this, that if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Then this can be written as x log 4 is equal to log 4 plus log 6. Let's divide all through by log 4 divided by log 4. This divided by log 4 and this divided by log 4. This will cancel this. This will cancel this 1. We have s is equal to 1 plus log 6 divided by log 4. X is equal to 1 plus log 6 can be written as log 2 multiplied by 3 divided by this log 4 can be written as log 2 square. Then x is equal to 1 plus log 2 plus log 3 divided by this can be written as 2 log 2. Then x is equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 3 divided by 2 log 2. This will cancel this. X is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 log 3 base 2. Then x is equal to, here LCM is 2. We have, this is divided by 1. 1 into 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3 over 2 plus 1 divided by 2 log 3 base 2. Therefore, the LCM here is 2. We have s is equal to LCM is 2. Then we have 3 plus log 3 base 2. And this is the final answer. We can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have 4 to the power of x is equal to 24. Now when s is 3 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 2, we have 4 to the power of 3 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 2 must be equal to 24. And this 4 can be written as 2 square to the power of 3 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 2. This will cancel this. This must be equal to 24. Then we have 2 to the power of 3 plus log 3 base 2 must be equal to 24. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Then this can be written as 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 must be equal to 24. Then if you have a to the power of log c base a, this is equal to c. Then this can be written as 2 to the power of 3, that is 8, multiplied by 3 must be equal to 24. So we have 8 multiplied by 3, this is 24, is equal to 24, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.